Welcome back again, guys. So we have talked about saving seeds in a couple of my prior videos, and I also use corn silk as an ingredient in my blood pressure tea. So since I was blessed with a nice bounty of corn from the garden the other day, I'm going to save my corn silk to dry out and use in my blood pressure tea. So I hope most of you guys have gotten some farm fresh corn. If not, it comes off the stalk looking like this, not frozen in a bag. And so you just peel off all of the layers, and once you get to the inside, there's this beautiful silk, as we call it, because it's these fibers inside. Now, this corn isn't the most beautiful corn. Everything didn't get pollinated, but we always save it anyways. So just be careful when you're taking the last couple of layers off, and you're left with this beautiful silk. You just peel it right off. We're going to lay it out and dry it and chop it up and put it in tea, and it helps lower blood pressure. Who knew, right? So always try to save everything you can and recycle. It makes way less of an impact on our beautiful earth, and we all need to recycle and try to do our part. So hope you learned something today. Follow me for more tips about gardening and herbs and plant medicine. You guys have a great day.